Hey everyone. So this law was created roughly 51 years ago, and there seems to still be confusion in the marketplace. My name is Imran Ali. I am the founder and broker of Ali I am a consumer advocate. Look, what I will show you today is a document on the right that contains the fees related to title fees. Okay, we'll cover title fees. In my other videos, we'll cover the entire loan estimate. But look, to begin with, always get at least three quotes when you are buying a home, refinancing a home. Okay, so let's get on with this. So there are a lot of fees in this video. I'll show you how to calculate some of these fees, some at high level, and we can even go at a granular level, right? But to begin with, look, this law went into effect 51 years ago, and it states here to empower borrowers to shop for their own settlement services. First of all, if you wanted to find a local title company, look, just type it in Google, and a lot of title companies will show up in your area. This market is really robust, but so shop accordingly. The first question that I want to go over is, uh, look, the seller told me I have to purchase title insurance from a specific company, otherwise they won't sell the property to me. No, they cannot do that. That's a RESPA violation. Okay, let's go with this next one. Can a mortgage lender, credit union, or broker force me as a buyer, even a seller actually, to use a specific title company? So when I say buyer, buying a home, or you can even refinance a home, okay? No, they cannot. That's a RESPA violation too. You have the right to choose your own title company. All right, number three. Can a real estate agent force a buyer to use a title company? No, they cannot, right? It's very clear. And so the last but not least, the home builders. Can they force the potential buyer to use their own title company? No, but do they try? Yes, they do. Look, sometimes they have incentives, discounts. Take advantage of them, but do shop. Do shop to see if it's truly a deal, right? Don't just look at the section C of the loan estimate, right? It might show low here when you're comparing the fees. Look at the what's the interest rate? What's the APR? What are all the fees, right? So let's just say if the interest rate is 7% and the APR is 8.25%, well, that's a lot of fees that's built into the loan. So definitely compare, please. Look, I ran this through this company and I hit calculate my rate quote, and this is what came up, and it matches, yeah, about it's exactly the same level. You can actually go to this company. I'll go here, hit that, and this window, you'll add few data points, and you'll see some of the fees associated with this, right? There's a difference between 1,039, 1,500. Now, I think in this case, let me just go line by line. Refinance, you have a settlement closing fee of 195. So there's a little bit of difference there. I've seen as high as $350. Um, this mobile notary fee, this is a legit fee because in this case, this borrower, because by the way, this is a real loan estimate, he lives in New York, so there will be some sort of mobile notary fee. Um, but even if we add that fee, right, to this total amount, that's roughly $1,200, actually $300 in savings. Look, I'm not saying these fees are not legit. It could be, but now you know as a consumer, as a borrower, how to calculate these fees. Okay, and going back to this, ending with this, yes, you as a borrower, as a buyer, have the right to choose your own title company. I hope you found this beneficial. Thank you so much.